Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for tuning in and checking out my channel. If you like what you see, hit the like, maybe even the subscribe. Stay tuned to the build. There's a lot going down. But just to keep you guys up to date, this is the first AE86 with a full Altezza swap front to back. I got an excessive manufacturing drive shaft and that J160, you know. But the drive shaft spacer is for an old Toyota truck. I had to modify it to work. Got that independent suspension, torsion 410 rear end. You know, I had to have that rear end because I wanted it to mate up to the 6-speed manual, and I didn't want to have any problem with gear ratios. With a lot of stuff that people go through, they deal with those problems, and I just wanted to have a complete Altezza with an 86 body on top, so that I can have a new car that it looks like an old car, you know, and no more drift tax. I also ordered turbo injectors, performance coils, and door handles. I welded up my exhaust along with all the rest of these parts that I had shipped over from Japan, and I got my fuel cell back there and then my to-go box because this thing is made to go. And I've had to deal with my front suspension a little bit, mainly the alignment. This is the first AE86 with upper control arms, and those upper control arms are for an IS300 or an Altezza, and they are adjustable, so I've had to work with my alignment a little bit so I don't wear out tires too fast, and it's been pretty good. The welds are holding up strong. Everything underneath the car is good. It does sit really low, so eventually I want to try to shorten up that, get a little bit more space, and then maybe run 17-inch rims, and I'll go from there. Everything has been pretty good except for the starter. The starter gave me a lot of trouble, and I've been trying to find one for a decent price, but you know how ordering stuff from Japan goes, it's usually not a decent price. So I opened it up, I cleaned up the brushes, and sanded down all the metal surfaces just lightly to polish them up to get good ground contacts. It was a little bit of a pain, but it worked out tremendously. I haven't had no problem since then. And it can buy me some time till I can save up and get a starter, or find a place that can rebuild this, or even find the parts that I can rebuild it. I found the brush set on eBay. I think it was like 60 bucks. I'm thinking about ordering that. And there goes the stuff that I got from Japan. The size difference is crazy. I got a lot more track width now. The only thing I'm waiting is I want to get some RPF ones so I can start sliding this thing around. And I'm just happy to have 5 lug. You guys, I'd like for you to stay tuned. Check me out on Instagram, Snapchat. Stay tuned to the build. I'm gonna have much more coming. I've just been doing so much driving around lately. I haven't had so much time to get it out. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate everybody that shares my videos, likes them, and just puts the word out. I'm trying to make this thing blow up. It's the first one ever. Thank you so much.